Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean white shoes easily. This will be a full tutorial for whitening shoes, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have these shoes, and these shoes have what is supposed to be a white portion on the toe over here and all along the bottom portion of the shoe. Now, as you can see, they're quite dirty, but I actually turned this into this in just a few seconds using this method. All that you need is one of these. This is actually a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I bought a 2-pack and they're extremely useful. Okay, so what I did was I wet the magic eraser and then I squeezed it to wring out the water. So now it's just basically damp. And take a look. You can see right here it's quite dirty, okay? If I take the magic eraser, watch in just a few moments how much it's going to whiten the shoe. So check this out. With the magic eraser, I'm just gonna, once again, there's like no special effects, no camera effects. It's just me using this product. I'm gonna just rub over here. Check this out. Look at how quickly and how easily these shoes turn white again. Check that out. You remember how dirty they were before. And with just a few moments of scrubbing, they turn white again. And the best part about this is that I can continue scrubbing. So I can continue with the magic eraser, scrubbing all of the small little intricate spots, making the shoes whiter and whiter until they reach the white level that I want them to be, which is like to sort of make them look new. Check this out. In just a few moments, they went from being quite dirty and quite like browning all around there to being really white, okay? And it works in many different areas of the shoe. Some areas might require more scrubbing than others, but it definitely works in other areas too. You can see right here, this requires a bit more scrubbing, but as you can see right there, look at the difference. Look at the difference. So you can take, look at that, take an old pair of shoes that you're considering throwing out because they're too dirty, and you can make them look white again or new again if they were originally white shoes, that is, just by using one of these. And they're very affordable and they last a long time. I've used this magic eraser for a very long time, and there's still another one brand new in here that I haven't used yet. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.